Hello, welcome. Today we have brown butter cake. Um, it's gonna be a tutorial about brown butter cake and cheesecake. How to decorate it and an easy way how to decorate all these kind of stuff. It's a pretty easy, simple step. In one of my video, if you watch one of my video, you're gonna see how we make from start to finish with these kind of stuff. Um, it's a pretty easy and a simple step how to do these decoration. It's not hard at all. However, I top it off with some brown butter whip, and top it off with some flowers and also a little hint of gold leaf. And it's not that difficult, but when you pipe in the whip on the top, just a small amount because it's a very petite dessert. So the flowers, it look good with the flowers also. The whip just look very good with the flowers. And also we have the prickle pear cheesecake also, and I top it off with um, prickle pear compound in the whipped cream. And as you can see, it's a fast and easy, simple step how to do these dessert. Do it very fast and sufficient. Get these things done real fast. For this dessert, you don't need too much whip on the top. It's just a little kiss of whip, not too much. And it's a very small amount and a small portion of whipped cream. And then you just add a little hint of prickle pear compound. So that's how you get it done. And you can decorate these prickle pear cheesecake with whatever option you may choose, but it's a very easy and unique way how to prepare these stuff. And there's the third one. We have vanilla bean cheesecake. It's a petite cheesecake, and it's a very small cheesecake. Also, if you watch my next video, you will see how I played up like a bigger size. This is like a buffet bite size. So this is how you get this one done. And also a small little rosette on top, and a little small hint of vanilla bean or vanilla extract, whatever you have. Is very more easy to just add a small portion of vanilla bean, so you get that flavor. And you don't need too much whipped cream on the top. That's perfect. Actually, I put a little bit too much, but these are smart way how to get these stuff done and work very fast, because this is like 400. So this is what we do when we have a big group of uh, these dessert. And the next one coming up, I have the chocolate flawless cake, and top it off with um, ganache. And I use a little small hint of use a small ribbon, and I top it off also with a small um, little flowers, chocolate garnish of flowers. And it's a very unique way. So I just want to show different ways how to get these stuff decorate. It's not hard at all. It's very easy. As you can see the video, you just need a small wave tip. If you use a small piping wave tip, you get and you cut them two by 1.5, you get a pretty good decent size, and that's the regular size for a small function. And this what I have here, I have to do over 200 and something for this one. And this is a nice small decoration for a small banquet party. And that's how you get it done. As you can see, chocolate, chocolate all the way. And it's you can top if you want to decorate these ones, you can top it off with like a small rosette too also, or if you don't have this kind of garnish, you can use like a gold leaf or so to top it off. So a lot of different ways that you can um, my camera get a little blurry for a second, but sorry about that. Then this one here, as you can see, you just need to pipe like three, like three, I would say like three section, like three by, you cut this one like three by two by 1.5, or 2.5 by one by 2.5. So it's a easy cut. When you cut these, you always have to use a small knife, not a big knife, and very sharp, and use hot water, and you get a really good cut. I was kind of hurrying, so I didn't really get like a, a perfect cut, but this is a good cut the way how I wanted. So it worked out pretty good. And if you watch most of my video, you're gonna see a lot of different ways that you can, get these stuff done very fast. It's not difficult at all. But these are some good ideas I'm throwing out there, because you don't really see a lot of video out there to show you how to do different types of decoration. And also I have the recipe for this, the ganache, and also the whole structure of the cake. So if you would like the recipe, I would be more than happy to send it on to anyone out there. So very easy and simple step how to get these stuff done, and easy and possible way how to do this stuff. And once for all, I don't really want to stay too long on this video, but I just want to share my ideas out there. If you think this video was very helpful, I want to say please like and share and subscribe. We'll definitely coming out with more video to help you. All right, peace.